Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a person to a group chat in WhatsApp. So as you can see, I'm now on WhatsApp and I just created this group just for this video, so it's just a test. But in this video I'll show you how to add contacts or person to this group. So basically just tap on the name of this group. So in this case it's test, so tap on it. As you can see, this group has 2 persons in it. You can add a group description. You can change all of these settings because you are the owner of the group. And you can scroll down, and here you see me. And down below you see 2 participants. You can add a person. You can just tap on invite to group via link. So you can tap on that, and then you can copy the link. So as you see, this is the link of the group chat. You can send the link via WhatsApp. You can share link, a copy link, or you can add a QR code. So you can tap on reset link, and are you sure you want to reset the link for test? If you reset the link, no one will be able to use it to join this group. You can do that if you want to, or you can tap on add participants, something like that. And that's very easy. Just tap on it and this will open all of your contacts, and you can add them very easily just within a few clicks. So that's basically it. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.